And the good news is still coming up for Beyond Meat. As you can see here, latest news, we got Beyond Meat, the first implant the base meat category to achieve clean label project certification. However, the short interest, the other thing is increasing. 32% short interest float for Beyond Meat. If you don't know what does that mean, as everybody knows, the more short interest getting higher percentage, the more expensive for the short seller to hold. And we're getting even near the 50%, like what happened to AMC and GameStop when they squeeze. So we're going to watch this one closely for Beyond Meat. However, in the technical, we're still holding a current support for Beyond Meat. Guys, remember, before we go further, remember our content always for education purposes only. So what's going on, guys, with Beyond Meat? It still is consolidating over the 64. So technically, we don't have another jump because, as you can see here, we have a consolidation, period of consolidation, then a pump. It happened in just one day. Then a period for consolidation again. You see here, we kind of have head and shoulders and a really big one. However, we still didn't have another spike. This is the reaction for Beyond Meat, guys. If you trade any stock, every stock is have a different personality. It's like people. Some people are drug addict. You have to stay with it, stay away from them because it's unpredictable. Some people are like go to sport, doing gym. They are positive, they're nice, unpredictable because they have routine. The same with the stock. For Beyond Meat is kind of drag addict for from this scenario because unpredictable. Sometimes it's have a period of consolidation or sleeping because the guy have no money to buy cocaine. That's why the price is kind of stagnating and doesn't move. And then when you have sniff of cocaine, the price jumping up. This is what's going on with Beyond Meat, guys. Sorry for this analogy, but this is what's going on right now for Beyond Meat. And let me just show you just from the chart because it's kind of visible from the chart. The charts tell us about the psychology, about everything. If you look, you can see the truth. Wherever you look, even in nature, there's patterns, there is signs, there is messages. If you're ready to uh, see, you can see the message. Otherwise, you'll be blind. The same for Beyond Meat here. Let me just show you. Every time we have a period of consolidation, either sideways, like what happened here, or downtrending, uh, like bearish uh, drop for Beyond Meat. Last time we have it, it was last time we when we have a huge squeeze, we have a consolidation down, then squeeze up, consolidation down, squeeze a little up, then consolidation down, and now we have a period of consolidation sideways. So this is kind of a way better way of consolidation downward, because it means there's someone buying, it means there's someone accumulating. And how are we going to confirm that? As we said before, over the 64, if we held, it means we technically still holding sideways. And I know it's painful because as you can see here, from this bottom until now, we're consolidating almost 2 months, 2 months of no activity. And the one day that we have huge activity and the 30% was on the 27th of February or last month at the end of last month. However, now we are near at the end of this month because every month we kind of got some action. Every month we have some kind of action. So now we might have action at the end of this month. If we held the 64 and break the 88, this will confirm that we might have the jump over the $1. And this is what's going to happen next Wednesday, hopefully during the earnings after hours 25th of March. So now we've got, I think, 4 days left for this action to happen for Beyond Meat. So let me know, guys, in comment section below what you think. Are we gonna have finally the jump, the squeeze over the $1 this time at the earning next Wednesday, or are we gonna have a push down before the earnings? Let me know, guys, in comment section below. Are we gonna have or see the $1? Are we gonna have a reverse split? Everybody talk about the reverse split because the price is below the $1. So let me know in comment section below. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and of course, see you all back by tomorrow before the market open. And our Discord, guys, don't forget because we always do update for the market on our Discord because last time we just did FedEx for the earnings. It was good play because we suggest to exit around the 390. The price went over the 390 a little bit, then flash down. So always we do preparation for the market and exiting at the right moment before the short seller come. The link comment section below for our update that we're gonna do. Even for Monday tomorrow, we're gonna do a major update for a watch list for the stocks that squeeze hard. We always do it here. And the watch list, as you can see here, we did it last time for SMCI around the dip here for a reversal. We did it for AZTR. It was really good play. We did it for AZTR, of course, for the next reversal play here. It went around the 32, then the 33, then pull back. So we do day trade stocks where we put it on the pre-market watch list, and we do swing trade stocks, and we post it on the King Elite Swing Trade. So see you back by tomorrow on our YouTube channel, of course, daily, 30 minutes before the market open to discuss the market in depth. Meantime, thank you for watching and see you all back by Monday.